that we are very, very focused on. Very simple reasons. We are a youth brand, and that's where the youth is, and that's what's cool. I think which was around the EC12 campaign, launched My Time Is Now campaign for football, which is again talking completely to the youth, the guy who's really obsessed with soccer, and how we can empower him. And the entire campaign was actually on digital, and the incredible number of innovations within that campaign, where it was really a video, but you could actually go into tunnels into the video to various experiences that are relevant to you as an individual. And even more, you could actually go in the ad, you could pretty much go into a shop to even pick up product that you really like. So I mean, there was a classic case of really turning the model on its head and saying, okay, here is an ad, but it's not really an ad. It's an amazingly engaging video that actually the youth go back to again and again and again to interact with it, and it takes you all the way down to the moment of truth to actually shop a product that you really want to really like. So that's an example that I can talk about. I think the other great example is the Bleed Blue campaign for cricket, that Nike has done in India, both in its first version that we did, about a year and a half back, where the entire engagement again was driven by digital. So the entire Bleed Blue handprint campaign, taking it digital, allowing millions of Indians to actually connect and show their passion. And then very recently with the T20 World Cup, we took it to the next level with Parallel Journeys, which was a film. But really, the whole campaign was really about training and how that's relevant across, depending upon whichever level you play cricket at. And again, right from a training video, so the entire engagement, all the key activities actually kick off from digital, and of course, take on a wider spectrum as well at the key moment of the game, but really centered around digital and strong engagement. I mean, we have about almost 2.7 million fans for Nike Cricket, and it's not just the number, it's also the level of engagement of the conversation, which is really rich. So that's another great. I would say that for me, I would say the phrase experiential marketing is probably already a little behind now, because it just seems like an older approach and say, oh, I want to put an experience around it. I think for us at Nike, it's all about connecting, with the youth and connecting and making them really, really want the brand, which they do. And I think that's how I would look at it. To me, experiential marketing still sounds a little more traditional approach, and going around it, I would really say yes, it is about experience, but it's about much more than that. It's about really, really truly connecting with the brand and saying, yes, you understand me, and I totally buy into your philosophy. So Nike, the whole philosophy for Nike is to bring innovation and inspiration to every athlete. And if you have a body, you're an athlete, and that message in everything we do, connects up.